Oh, where, Ashin?
Bro, they're trying to take my tooth out. Won't that mess up my fast?
Gelleynetha.
Having your tooth removed or having a root canal done or any dental work in and of itself does not break the fast. But the water that gathers in the mouth, if you do not spit it out regularly and you swallow some of it by mistake, then that will break the fast. So try to ensure that you delay it until the night or even after Ramadan. But if it is necessary, then you can actually have dental work done.